I'm about to spill the dirt, and some people not gonna like it, but I'm gonna do it anyway. I'm about to give you the top things that real estate brokers lie about. So if you are interviewing for a new broker or you're just thinking about becoming a real estate agent, I'm gonna tell you these lies that you wanna look out for, because I had to learn the hard way, and a lot of what they're saying are not true. So I'm gonna give you the big ones. First big lie that real estate brokers are telling new agents is that you will make 6 figures in your first year. Nobody can guarantee how much money you make unless they're going to be putting you on a 6-figure salary. There is no way they can guarantee that you're going to make 6 figures by joining their brokerage. I've been told this in the past, and so you start thinking that these people are so invested in your career and they're going to do whatever it takes. Yo, that's a total lie. They cannot guarantee how much money you make. They are probably going to do the bare minimum. They're going to tell you everything that maybe they know on how to make 6 figures, but you and I know that there's lots of different variables that come into play. People's situations are different. Your finances are different right now on what you can even afford to build your business. So that's one big bold-faced lie, guaranteeing that you're going to make 6 figures in your first year. The second lie that a lot of brokers tell new agents is that they're going to be giving you leads. Oh, we have plenty of leads to give you. I can't wait to give you leads. Just sign on the dotted line. That's a lie. And all these leads that they have, their agents would be just working off the hook. They would have the highest numbers. They are not going to be giving you leads like you think. And those that do give you leads, they're probably going to be crappy leads until you get that experience and they can become more invested in you. Just think, you're a new agent. You don't know how to build a business. You don't know the contracts. Why would someone hand you over business that's ready to go for you to just mess it up? No offense, but more than likely, you're going to need a lot of help. And these brokers, they're bringing on agents left and right, so they don't have time to help everybody. So them telling you that they're going to give you leads and all these leads are going to make you successful is highly unlikely. If they do it, they're probably going to be charging you for it. But just know that that is a big lie that a lot of brokers tell. Another one, and this is a good one, you're going to be selling luxury properties right away. Oh yeah, you're going to be selling those $1 million homes in your first 2 weeks. That's not true. Unless they got someone waiting to work with you, this new agent who just signed on, more than likely that's not going to happen. Most brokers out there, if they're the broker, they're going to be the one signing the $1 million properties because they want those attached to their name. Basically, luxury properties, you got to earn that. You got to earn that through getting out there, networking, your market knowledge, your marketing, all of that kind of stuff. You got to earn that clientele. Nobody's just handing out luxury listings left and right. A way around this, maybe if you join a team who specializes in luxury, you're going to get to work with some luxury clientele, and eventually you'll be the listing agent on some luxury properties or the buyer's agent. But do not rely on your broker to be sending you luxury properties. Them telling you you're going to sell luxury right away, bold-faced lie. Next one is your commission split is non-negotiable. That's a lie, y'all. Everything in real estate is negotiable. You can negotiate any and everything. That includes the commission split that you have to pay to your broker. Now, there is a lot of brokerages out there that say, oh, we don't go outside of this, or everyone is on this split, and that's understandable. But if you're going to a smaller, more mom and pop brokerage and they're offering you a really crappy split, just know that everybody in that brokerage is not on the same split. So it is negotiable. What you want to do is you want to find out, what are those negotiating terms? Are they giving you a low split because they're going to be investing more time and money into you? That makes sense. If they're not, if they're just saying, hey, we're going to give you a 50-50 split because you don't know any better, just know that's a lie. Now, don't go in there expecting the highest split out of everybody and you need the most help. It doesn't necessarily work that way too, but just know that splits, they're negotiable. And the big one that if you interviewed anywhere, you probably heard it, is we have the best training. That one is a lie. That one's such a lie. If someone tells you that, you need to ask to see the training calendar. You need to look up those agents who are doing the training, because most times that training sucks. It's outdated, it's not relevant, and the people who are leading the training don't even want to be leading it themselves. And so you end up getting the short end of the stick. So don't let someone tell you that they have the best training without some proof of evidence of something, because more than likely that's just a lie to get you in. I have many more of these brokerage lies. I will do another video. Let me know in the comments if you do want another video talking about these lies that brokers tell, and be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that way you get updated when I release new videos. I look forward to doing another one if y'all want it. So talk to you soon.